everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Pretty from Foshan today. And today we are coming to this factory making coffee table and the end table mainly. And they combined the factory and the showing room together. And now please follow me and I'll show you what exactly it is in there. Okay, I'm now in the standing room. When I first entered it, I feel a sense of high technology. You see, there are some green plants there, so it also gives me energetic, very confident. And I see a bunch of perfect products here. To be honest, when I see them, I want to buy them all to my home. And now let me introduce you some my perfect ones. First is this one. Yes, I first see it. I see, it's so beautiful, and it's my suit because it's the green and with gray. So I want to put it in my dish room because I can place some main meals here and maybe place some small dishes after meal here in this, and they are a suit one. I think maybe it's made of the wood and. It's not made of wood because the sound is not right. And maybe we can ask the boss here what exactly it's made of. 老板你好啊，就是这个它是由什么做的？你好，这款是用不锈钢做的。It's not the wood. Actually, it's made of the stainless steel. And what about the price? 请问它的价格大概是多少？就是它真的很漂亮，这个。300美金。About $300. It's just the average price, right? But I think it's worth it because it's very fashionable. If I will buy one. And if you wanna custom made it, I think that's okay. Yes, because you can place different. Maybe it's not just the one round table here. Maybe you can place more around there. And if you want to know more, please leave the message under the video, and I will show you more. And now let's see this one because it's very beautiful, right? If the light didn't shine in it, it's just the white one. But if the light blanket in it, it's twinkling. If you had a kid in your room, I think that the kids will love it. You see, it's bling like twinkle eyes in the sky, right? And maybe it's made of. Is it glass? I don't know. 老板您好，请问这个是什么做？
这款是玻璃。上面是不锈钢。
The box said it's made of glass. Yes, it's just as I said. And this is made of the stainless steel. And different from this, you see when you place something in it, it will make some noise, but when you place things in this table, you don't have the noise. So I think if you want a silent and quiet room, and this is a good choice. And also, have you seen that one? Yeah, that is what I like perfect because it's my style. Please follow me. This one, you see it has different colors. You have different choice. This is mainly the white and gold, and this is the black and gold. For me, I like this more because it gives me a sense of glory. I think if I put it in my home, my home is like a kingdom. It's very beautiful. And I think it's made of, I don't know what it's made of exactly. 老板，请问这是什么材质的呀？
这款是不锈钢材质的。
Yes, it's also the stainless steel. And what about the size? 请问它是什么尺寸呢
？1米乘1米，因为它是正方形。
正方形 Yes, it's the square, so it's the 1 meter by 1 meter. It's not very big. You can place it anywhere. It's suitable in every places in your home. Both also is suitable in your coffee team or in the balcony. It's also okay. And if you want a custom one, it's also okay. And if you want to buy more, like if you buy both of them, and maybe the boss can give you some discount. Yes. So, wow, so many products here. And if you want to know more, maybe I can give you some details and a contact here, and you can contact the boss or us together, and we can help you get more expensive prices here. And now I'll show you another areas here. Let's follow me. And now we are coming to this area. They are mainly the dining table. Wow, there are many patterns, right? All of this is my favorite. And you see this one. I like the patterns here because I think it's coming from India or Arabic. It's the dark blue and also coupled with some black. So, oh, it's very various. But I don't know what it's made of. It seems like just made of the marble stone. So let's ask the boss here. 老板，请问这个是什么做的呀？这是不是大理石？
这款是天然大理石。
Oh, it's not just the stone, it's the nature marble. So the soft is very soft, and when I touch it, I can feel I'm floating in the sea. And also, oh, the lazy Susan is flexible. So if you place the meal here, all of the people in the table, they can enjoy. Let's see the next one, okay? Maybe this one? No, it's not my favorite. So, oh, this one. I like this pattern. Come here, this one. As you can see, it's also the blue one, but it's not with the black, but some yellow and the white, because blue is one of my favorite colors. And when I see it, it seems like I'm in the beach with wind and waves. If I buy one in my home, I want to place it in my balcony because I like have the barbecue with my friends, and if we put the things, we can put the food here. This is very suitable, right? And this touch is not as same as the formal one. 老板，请问这个是由什么做的？
这款吗？这款是大理石。
Oh yeah, it's not the nature stone, but it's just the marble stone. So maybe it's a little inexpensive, I think. 请问它的价格大概是多少
200到300美金。
Yes, I think it's not so expensive. It's just about $20 to $200 to $300. And what about the size? 请问它尺寸大概是多少呢
80乘1.6米。
Oh, it's 80 centimeters by 160 centimeters. So, I think it's the suitable one in my balcony because my balcony is just so big here. Wow. There are so many products, and if you want to learn more, maybe we can help you contact the industry companies here and help you get more details. And here I'll attach our email, send WhatsApp, and if you want to contact us, please add it, and we are waiting for you here. And now I'll show you the next area. Please follow me. Wow. Oh, the design here is so special. When I'm working here, I feel like I'm in an island and I can share a suntan there. So beautiful. And you see, there are many the end tables here. And this one is made of the glass with just the knowledge. And this one is not the glass, maybe it's the acrylic. Wow, but they are all very fashionable. And now follow my side and let's see this one. Wow. So many end tables here. I like this one. It's just like a small person standing there, but I don't know what is it made of. So let's ask the boss here, okay? Hello, boss. 请问这是什么材质的？
你好，这款是不锈钢材质，然后有经过抛光处理的。
Oh yes, the boss said it is the mainland steel and it's the polished one. I think if I buy it in my room, I'll polish it every day and take really good care of it because it's so beautiful, right? And I think the size is not very big, so maybe I'll put it just beside my bed. That's a good choice, right? And what about the price? 请问它的价格大概是多少呢
？50到100美金左右。
Oh, it's about $50 to $100. I think that is okay. It's inexpensive, right? Do you think so? Do you like it? Yes, I think so. If you like our channel, please give us a thumb up and subscribe our channel. And now I'll lead you to the other places. Just follow me. Wow, and in this place, there are also a lot of beautiful coffee tables here. You see the glass one, and the marble one, and the stainless steel one. There are so many beautiful tables, but the time is limited, so we are approaching the ending now. I must say today I should send the great appreciation to the boss here because they offer so many good products. And the next time I'm show you to see some sofa products. Do you like it? If you like our channel, please give me a thumb up and subscribe our channel. And this is Pretty from Foshan Today. See you next time.